In this video, I will show you how to use Go High Level for lawyers. So you've probably heard that Go High Level is a really good software, and maybe you are a lawyer or you have clients that are lawyers and you would like to start using Go High Level to help grow and manage their business or your business. Now Go High Level has a lot of features and it's really good, but it's kind of hard to get started with. So therefore in this video, I'll just explain the features and walk you through it and specifically show you what you can do with Go High Level for lawyers. After creating your account, which will only take a couple of minutes, you will get to your agency dashboard. From here, just click Sub Accounts. Then in the top right, click Add Sub Account. Now here you have snapshots, and a snapshot is basically a collection of email, website, funnel, automation, and some more templates that are tailored for a specific business type. Now if in the search bar right here we go and type in lawyer, right now they have a defense lawyer and family lawyer. Now if your business or your client's business is not any of these, so not family or defense, then you can still pick one of these snapshots. Just pick the one that's most similar, because you will just have to do a couple of minor changes, but the templates will still be good for you. So for example, I will go with family lawyer and then click select and continue. Now here simply going to search for the business's address. Then here enter the account info, so first and last name and email address. Then click on save info. Now in the top right, go and click on switch to sub account. So after you've switched to the sub account, what you can go and do first, and what I like to do first, is to head over into the site section right here. Now if your client or you already has a good website, then you don't need to worry about the website right here. They do have some really good templates. I'll just show you it quickly so that you can see what you can do with Go High Level in terms of websites. So you can see this is a family lawyer website and it looks pretty good, and they have built out all the pages and stuff like that. Now they also have more templates, so you can go in and create a new website with your own template as well. But I want to go into the funnels right here. So they have a defense attorney funnel right there, and then a family law consultation offer. So for example, if we open this one up, you will see that here people can claim a consultation, and basically once they click on claim right there, they will be taken to a form, and once they enter their info and then click claim, now you want to go and change this text to claim your whatever you're offering. But once they enter this form, they will go into your Go High Level contacts right here. And from there you will set up an automation. And you can see, for example, you have the marketing workflows and then a new lead nurture. So they will be added as a new lead, because you can see one of the triggers here is a claim offer form submission, which is the one that we just saw in the funnel. Now you can also advertise the funnel on Facebook, and then you will have a Facebook lead form submitted as well. And what will happen then is it will create a new opportunity in a new lead stage in your pipeline. It will be added to a long-term nurture workflow. They will be sent an email and SMS that you can go and customize by clicking on it. And here just write what you want to send to them. Then did the contact reply, yes or no? If they did, then this. If no, then this, etc. So you can just go and set up your own workflow as well, but this one is already very good for a new lead. And the end goal here is to send a booking link SMS or a survey link SMS. And by doing that, you will be able to then go and book in a meeting with this lead. Now, in terms of the meeting, it needs to, of course, have a calendar to know when you're available. So that's also offered. If you go to calendars right here, you can go and add your calendar. You can book in appointments. Can click new and then here book an appointment with a client. So then next I want to go and show you the templates they have. So in the funnels, if you click new funnel and then click from templates, then continue, you have a category right here which is legal. So go and click legal. Now here you can see they have a bunch of them. So lawyer consultation, attorney leads, legal lead, attorney book appointments, lawyer leads, criminal law firm, and way more than just these, and you can just find one that works for you and that you will need. Now for example, the one at the top right here, which is attorney book appointments, if you go and preview it, you can see what it looks like right here. So it looks very clean and professional. So you can go and customize this really easily. You can just drag in your own images, you can add your own text and stuff like that. And basically the goal of these funnels is to go and collect leads that are interested, in this case, for example, in booking a free consultation, and then you can turn them into clients. Now you can also do marketing from within Go High Level. So you can go to marketing right here. Then here you can go to connect your social media profiles that you can then manage from here. You can also send emails, you can create campaigns, they have some templates as well. So these templates right here are specifically for family law, for example, family mediation services. So you can then see what this email looks like right here, but you can also go and create your own if you want, but this just really helps make your marketing a lot more professional. Now Go High Level, of course, is also a CRM, so we can see that here in the opportunities section. So here, all the leads that you collect through your funnels and through your site and wherever you're getting them from, it can even be from Facebook lead forms, but they will show up right here if you have that as an automation. So as an automation, you could, for example, set up if someone submits the Facebook lead form, enter them into the pipeline right here as a new lead. Now then you can go and do outreach to them yourself, or you can set that up as an automation as well. Now one more really cool thing that I would like to show you is in the site section right here, you can get a chat widget. Now if you already have a website and you don't want to have the Go High Level website, then you can create your first chat widget right here. So click new. And then if you want to add it to your website, you can do a live chat right here. Now here you will see what it will look like on a website. Now you can go and customize the style, what it looks like, where it's placed, the colors, the messages and stuff like that. And now what you can even do is set up an AI that you train to answer the questions that are entered in the chat widget. To do that, go to settings right here. Then here you can go to conversation AI. Now here you can set it to autopilot. And then for the supported channels, if you want to do the chat widget or live chat, you want to enable those and then click save. Now here go to the bot training. And now here you can put in the URL of your client or your own lawyer business. So then it will analyze the website. And for example, if there's a question, what are your opening hours? And if that is then mentioned on your website, then this bot will go and answer that. Now all the messages that are entered into the live chat that you can add to your website by implementing a piece of code in your website will show up here in the conversations. So then you can just go and answer them through here. Now the final thing that I want to mention is in your business profile in the settings, you can scroll down and then here you can set up missed call text back. So if somebody calls your location, then you can automatically send a message to them if it's out of business hours and basically you couldn't pick up. So then it will say, hi, this is your location name. I saw that we missed your call. How can I help? Now, if they go and reply to this message and you have set up conversation AI to also work on SMS, then the live chat bot will actually go and answer their questions. And in the configure intent section here, you can even set it up so that it will book appointments for you. So then you want to enable this and then you can pick a calendar that you want them to book the appointments on. So that's really cool, but you can also just use it for support and general Q&A. So there are even more features in Go High Level that I didn't get to go over here. For example, you can do reputation management, which means that you can send review requests to your clients from your calendar. You can set up membership sites if that's something you're interested in. You can collect payments and a bunch more stuff. But now you know the basics of how you can use Go High Level for lawyers.